Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing between a standard and administrator account on your Windows 11 computer. So just notice before we proceed, that you do have to have at least one administrator account on your computer. If you're going to create a standard account, so you're going to have at least 2 accounts in total. So just want to put that out there and we're ready to begin. So we're going to start off by opening up the magnifying glass, the little search icon, and you're going to type in control panel. Best result should go back with control panel listed right above app. So go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to go select user account. So you want to scroll down and select that. We want to now go ahead and select where it says change your account type. Go ahead and left click on that. So like I said, if you have more than one account, then you'd have the option to then change this one to a standard account. So standard accounts can use most software and change system settings that don't affect other users or the security of this PC. And like I said, I can't change it here because I only have one account. But if you did have more than one account, you'd be able to switch whichever one you want to make a standard account, the standard account, and then you just would select change account type to make the change, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.